Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and in today's video we're going to be testing a little product out. We're going to be showing you how to sort of rejuvenate your black plastics. So this is our 2008 Jeep Wrangler, and as you can see it's got the standard rear bumper, which is faded, which is quite a common thing on these. It's also got the rubber clips on the front for the bonnet, and again, as you can see, these are faded quite a bit. So we're going to see if we can't rejuvenate them with a bit of Meguairs Back to Black. So this is it here. As you can see, it's got some sort of off-roader with big wheels on, a bit like the Jeep on the front, and yes, it says that it's going to make the trim and plastic look brand new, so we might even use it on the interior as well. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So just one thing before we start, you've got to make sure the bumper is clean. Now we washed this with a pressure washer and a sponge, so it's got a little bit of dirt left on it from where we've driven it since, but I'm fairly happy that it's relatively clean. But yeah, as you can see, it is faded pretty badly, so all we need to do is just put a bit of this on the microfiber, or you can put it straight on the actual bumper, and just sort of rub it in really. Okay, so this is our first sort of test patch, and as you can see, so far it's looking good. And these normally these sort of things, they will dry and they don't look any different, but I've got a good feeling about this one. So what we'll do is we'll do the rest of the bumper as sort of a first pass, and then we'll have another look and see how she looks. Okay, so as you can see, we've done the top of this bumper now, and you can see it does make quite a big difference in the colour. This bit's much more shiny and black, and this bit isn't. So it's looking good so far. We've got a bit more to do, and then we'll do this bit as well. I've taken before and after photos too, so then you get a proper look at it. But yeah, so far so good. It's looking very nice. Okay then guys, just a quick update. As you can see, we've done this side of the bumper. I've just left this bit here for you guys to see what a difference this is making. Now with a lot of these products, as soon as they dry, it goes back to how it was. But as you can see, this is in pretty direct sunlight, and it's dried and it's not going anywhere, which is really nice to see. So we're going to do stuff like the handles, tops of the lights as well, just to make this will look really tidy once we're finished. And then we're going to get onto the roof. I've just started on the roof, you can see the difference there. But yeah, the difference here is amazing, isn't it? It's almost like two different colours, or two different bumpers completely. So we'll finish off the rest of the truck, and yeah, we'll give you sort of a final thoughts in a bit, and let you know what it's like to work with, how much it was as well, because it was a fairly cheap, easy product. Amazon primed it as well, so it came next day. So yeah, this could be a nice little project you could do on any car really. Guys, so here we are. We've done now the rear bumper, as you can see, looking so much better, so much better. The lights, we've actually done the roof as well, done the door handles, done the mirrors. Now we're just starting on the engine bay as well, because you can see we've done a bit, and it's come up a treat, so we're going to give this a clean up, and I think this might be one of my new favourite products when it comes to sort of car cleaning. It's done absolute wonders on this Jeep, and I think if you guys are looking to sort of restore plastics, or if you've got an older 4x4 or something with plastic cladding like the Volvo XC70s, definitely take a look at this. This is Amazon's choice, and I've been really impressed with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys use. If you use this, let me know your thoughts on it, because like I said, I've been really impressed. Let us know what you use. If you've got a better one that you think I should give a go, then let us know and we'll get that done. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.